Hey, how's it going, people? It is the Hoff here, and today I figured I'd bring another video to you on how to promote your channels within YouTube guideline regulation without going to YouTube and paying YouTube to promote it. There's other ways you could do certain things for that, and we'll go over that. But first, a little bit of self promo. It is my Teespring store here. I'm going to start to come up with other things that I can try to create. But we have the melting keyboard with PC Master Race logo on the back, my channel shirt right there of Don't Hassle the Hoff. And then, if you know what the YouTube adpocalypse was, some people might still be hit hard from it. I know I kind of was, which is why I decided to create this shirt. And it is something that if I was trying to survive just off of YouTube, I never would be able to right now. So if you're interested, like 5 people picked some of this stuff up already. So thank you to you guys, and hopefully other people will. And I'm going to be doing a Panini football related one for my other channel as well, which I'll also put that in the link down below. So let's get on to the promotion. So I was contacted recently from someone that says they're from Ashby Technologies, which they own this site, youtube-promos.com. And here's the shop. And I will link this down below. But essentially, what this does is you're paying for their promotion. And what they do is you pay like $1 here, and they will push out to promote your video till it gets to the 100 view mark. So when it has 100 views, they stop the promotion of it, and you will no longer have them promoting it. So they contacted me and said, "Hey, we like your content." And I was like, "Thank you." And they went ahead and they said, "Hey, we have this thing. Would you be interested to try to get more subscribers as well as more views?" And I said, "Sure. Can I test it out?" And I did just that because I wanted to see what it was before I started showing it off to you guys. And so we did a little quick thing where I was to get a little over a 1,000 views is what I selected. I think was the one. Yeah, this one right here is the one we did. And turns out that between I hit 1,000 views in that mark, and then since then a little over for the Epson printer here, and it was promoted like the day it dropped. And normally my videos don't get that within the first day. And I hit that within the first 24 hours, 48 hours roughly. I hit just around 1,000. I can get little over 100 to 300, and I can get more than that if I'm doing a giveaway, which once you start seeing ads on my channel, I'll start to do more giveaways because this is coming from my pocket right now. So anything I do is coming from my pocket. I try to use the ad revenue to offset the costs, but I can't always do that when I'm trying to also build my computer to be better for video rendering as well as running VMs, which I can talk about that in another video. But I did some upgrades there with a 560 radiator, added the green liquid back in it from EK, so that's all good. So they shared out the video. I didn't share any of this out, and that was one way to promote it. So your views are not just, you're not paying for the views themselves, you're paying for the promotion that says they're going to promote it to get to that point. And that's exactly what happened. And from this, I also got 27 likes. I got 26 extra subscribers from them watching this latest video. And you could see embedded external websites was 1%, YouTube watch page, and then suggested videos was right there. Some people search for it, which is because it's a printer. It was fairly new to the US market. And then 6.9 was from the other. Most of it, as you see, is overseas because I think that's where they push this promotion to, for where they promote it, but it still falls under YouTube guidelines. Nothing of what they're doing here is anything that is out of the ordinary. You're not getting like other services where YouTube's gonna stop you from what I could see because they have bots giving you the views. This is not the case. And the watch minutes was up fairly high with the first day, and then it dropped because it was less viewers. So as you see, the view duration stayed up, but then it kind of fluctuated because people around this point, they're just looking to see what I have to say about the printer. Other people around here were from the promotion, and eventually it's going to average out because you'll get people that buy the printer and they want to see how to set it up. They may not know themselves. And I have no revenue from it because I so far do not have ads. And if you're interested in my revenue report, we can easily go over the overview for that. So let's take out that video, and these are all my videos, and let's do lifetime, which to me, lifetime is definitely not that. I did not start doing, as you see, like this time frame is when I started. That's in 2012. This was the end of 2015, and hardly anything. And then one day I had a huge spike, and I think that's because when NFL games started, and I got one of the printers in that people were really interested in. And as you see, these big spikes were for giveaways. Same thing with these giveaways. And I can't remember what that spike was. So, likes outweigh dislikes, which is always a good thing. A lot of comments, which I'm not sure I actually have that many, but I guess so. Decent amount of shares, videos and playlists. So my videos are in I guess that many playlists. And then there's my subscriber account. So revenue. This is the biggest right here. And I'll do just revenue straight up. So as you see, this printer, it's a small, great printer. And it's one that my niece is currently using because I got that new one in that does double-sided and everything. But she's using it in her room, which is next to this room right here. And then that's the YouTube revenue right there. So if you look, 60 bucks, I've already been paid once and I need to keep that going. But let's click and see the 1,000 views, what they state they give you. So as you see, I did over 1,000, some of that for me, a lot of it from them. They allowed videos to be seen by thousands of potential fans. So you are guaranteed promotion to 1,000 plus viewers. Category is you're getting the views, you add to cart, and you put your channel there, and you can buy as many as you want. So if you want to get more than 1,000, but if you want to go to 2, then you click that one. And then if you want to go beyond 4, you keep doing it. And they have upwards to 1 million viewers right here. A lot of money to buy 1 million viewers. You're not going to make, unless you have like crazy ad revenue, you're really not going to make enough money for that. But I guess if you're a small channel, but you have crazy amount of money you want to spend to promote your channel, that's definitely something you do right here. For the rest of us that just need to get the views up along with the subscribers, this is something for a small channel that you might want to look into, is trying to get one of these right here. So the 5,000, and then this also says that you will gain approximately 95 to 105 likes. Now, that just means they're promoting it and that's what they've seen. It's not a guarantee. What they're guaranteeing you is that they're going to push this out to enough different places. I mean, these are in sites that it's embedded in. They have playlists that what they do is they create playlists that are well liked on YouTube with other things in there that are liked, such as music videos, other person's videos, and they categorize the playlist so that people see that stuff, but then in it, they see your video and a ton of people watch this playlist, and then they're like, oh, I might want to check this video out. It's something that interests me because I see it in this playlist coming up. So there you have it. That is the whole entire thing of YouTube and a way that you can grow your small channel into a bigger channel so you can get the ads shown. Because, like me, I now have it set where, unfortunately, this has been going on since what? They discontinued it since the 20th of February. I mean, come on, YouTube, get your act together and go ahead and start reviewing a lot more of these channels because I was partner verified and able to get monetization, but then with the new rules, they cut it. But as you've seen, I hit the new rule guideline and it's submitted, but it's not been reviewed. And that's not necessarily hurting me because I work for a living, I have a job in the army, but it's hurting my viewers because I like to give back. And I cannot always give back if YouTube doesn't support what I'm doing by giving me monetization. And so I have everything. There's only thing is sponsorship because you have to be a gaming channel for that, but I could do all this. So if you guys are really interested in anything, let me know in the comments down below of different stuff. And if anyone does happen to decide to buy one of the shirts, thank you very much. I check that often and see that some people view it. And hopefully, I can add some more up there that you guys might be interested in. I got the idea from watching Philip DeFranco, and I know one person had ordered a shirt and showed it to me, and the thing looks pretty great, and they wear it to the gym. So I will say that they're really good material for shirts. But with that, I will end that here. And hopefully, you guys enjoyed this content. And I can bring you more content in the future as I'm getting more stuff sent to me, hopefully, shortly. Thank you guys. And I will see you guys next time.